will still keep doing vlogs, videos, or making videos, even though only few people watching or viewing my videos. It's okay. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, okay, mag-unboxing tayo. May na-receive akong package. Someone gave me Lazada because I ordered this. Sana may magpadala ng package. Sana cool. So this one, I need alcohol. Yes. Wait. I'm back! So, we need to disinfect. Okay, like this. Okay. Let it bath with alcohol, guys. Kasi hindi natin alam. So, ganyan. I will put alcohol to myself. It's dangerous. So, we will open this. Okay, mga ka-art angel, paalala. So, let's open. Isa lang to. So, ganito yan. So, I know what I'm so excited for this. So, this one is 584. Yes. For only this one. Okay. So I wanted also chicken, shut up. Okay guys, because I know chickens. For my video, it's video quality. My video quality is just okay. Chickens, kayo muna kayo. My video quality is, it's just good because it's not that very like HD, because I'm just using phone for my vlogs. I'm still saving money to buy camera. I will just buy if I have already 1,000 subscribers, because I think if I will have 1,000 subscribers, I think they should deserve nila magkaroon ng magandang quality, right? So pag 1K na, okay, but I'm still saving money. I bought a microphone so that yung audio maganda, right? Para yung boses ko hindi masyadong, para hindi siya kung saan, okay? Para makapture talaga yung boses ko, boses namin pag nag-video kami. This is a mic, but I'll just try because I don't know if this mic really works. So let's open together. Let's open. Okay, there is candy, but you cannot eat this. This is very like silica gel. Throw away, do not eat. Okay, throw away. Bye. Wait for a while. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay, I just done something. I just answered a message. Okay, mahaba-habang usapan yun. Pero let's continue. Okay, finish. Okay, here I have manual in Chinese. Okay, there's English here. Very good. Product description.
Welcome to your smartphone recording microphone, MIC06. This item is a professional portable smartphone recording microphone used twice, suitable for smartphone record, internet celebrity live broadcasts, live singing, reporters interview, show recording, video recording, and other popular living software. Professional reduced noise microphone core, HD acoustic fidelity, CNC process, and distributed from around signals, compact and portable, easy to carry.
That's it. English. Packing list. I have here, yes, the manual. I have here, yes. This is the wind screen. That. Para, ma-filter niya yung mga ganon. And then, I have here. This is it. Siyang snipe. Ganon lang. So guys, ito yun. Tingnan mo. YouTube. Char. Okay, so I will use this one. Like right now, I will insert this. So guys, you're listening, right? Right now, I don't use the microphone. You can see I have it here. Okay, so I will use it now. So you will be the first one to know if this is effective. Kasi mamaya pa, pag edit ko nito, yan ko pa malalaman kung gumagana to. If I try. So let's try. Okay. My God, I'm so excited. If this mic really works. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello. This would be the mic that I will use for my vlogs, for my coming videos. And also guys, I will still keep doing vlogs, videos, or making videos even though only few people watching or viewing my videos. It's okay. Basta may manonood, gawa lang tayo ng videos. Kahit ilan pa kakit, isa na lang. Okay, gawa pa rin. Okay, let's keep going. Muna, nakoy mic! for my kuan video. See? Hello mic test. May kayo. Akan siyang insert here. Like what I read sa product description, pwede din to sa, I think, sa online classes. Kasi if you will use your phone for online classes, this one is good also. Yes. Kaya lang expensive, 584 pesos. And I bought this one in Lazada. So you just find the store there. The name of their store is Andoer Flagship Store. Galing pa to China. Galing to sa number 91 Kuaishao West Road, Kualish Industrial Area, Changhuo, Changshui, Chongguan. Ambot mo siya. To China pa to galing, guys. Yeah, I have planned also, guys, to do I have planned to buy mystery box. So I will buy mystery box from Lazada and Shopee. So let's try to compare it. And then kung ano mang makuha ko dun, maybe I will just like give that giveaways. Yes. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below. Yes, you have to subscribe because I will be doing mystery box challenge. So maybe you can be part of that giveaways, right? So subscribe and thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.